Hi, this is Rada Herring with Watermark Real Estate Group. I'm excited to introduce you to my new property at 126 University Circle. This is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath house, single story with a private pool. And one of the key features of this property is it's actually multi-use. You can use it as a primary residence or rent it out long-term to the students, or finally, you can even short-term rent this property via Airbnb and Vrbo to fans of CCU football. Here are 3 other amazing features about this property. First, it is walking distance of the heart of CCU's campus and the stadium. Second, it has a private pool and a no HOA community, both of which are very rare in our area. And finally, it's the use of the house. Current owners use it as a single-family home, but it used to be a duplex, so it could very easily be converted back into a duplex, each having 2 bedrooms, 2 baths on each side. Plus, there are 2 kitchens in this property, so you would have a complete duplex with the addition of a single wall.